new weekly vlog. So it's a bit longer weekly vlog than usual. I was supposed to add one last week. I was completely focused on the workshop and the new workshop, so I didn't have the time. I have the D here, the D from the D Huntrophy, which is not totally finished here. He's going to have some arabesque. You're going to see a few glimpses of him, but you will see him totally finished on the wall in a few days. I'm super excited. He's going to have beautiful arabesque on each side. There is a rabbit too, who is not totally finished yet, but it's going to be soon there. And also there is a unicorn and a bed canopy. So those two ones, you will see them in an upcoming vlog. So this week I mainly work on that. I focused on that, editing, filming. I also did a bit of gardening because we had a lot of wind these past few days, and I had some boxes, some flower boxes I had in my bedroom with my ginormous geranium. They had no flowers anymore, but they were really big, and they're so heavy. I never imagined they would fall, and because of this crazy wind they fell on the floor. Fortunately it's on the garden side, so there is not really anyone really under my windows. But it was really scary, and of course I broke all my geraniums, and one more fell on the roof. I have a little roof under my bedroom, so yesterday I did that because I had all my other flowers on the balcony side, and some really big. The biggest one I had to cut him because I don't know, we have quite a strange weather. It's very warm, still super warm, and a bit windy, and I didn't want to have any catastrophe happening. So yesterday I really worked on that, taking care of my balcony windows, flowers, so that everything would be ready for crazy weather. Several persons asked me if I would have some Huntrophy in my shop and if those were for sale. And the thing is, no, they are not for sale. I'm keeping them actually. They are the examples for the workshop and also for my living room. I wanted to have them. If you saw one of the very first video I made when I arrived here, it's still on my decor series on my channel. I talked about that, what I wanted to do here. So now, more than 1 year later, they are in the flesh now. So it's going to be super exciting. But I will have an entire collection of Huntrophies coming at the end of November, beginning of December, mid-December. So you will see that. I will do updates about that really when I am finished with all my workshops marathon. Today I have already started to edit quite a lot. This week it's all about editing, filming the workshop, all that, so it's pretty repetitive. I have a rabbit right now which is drying on the balcony. It's quite nice because we have few days of sun. It's going to change, but for me it's super precious because I have a lot of very big things in papier maché which needs to dry. In my artwork I don't work a lot with the very classic papier maché technique now, so I don't have to worry too much about these drying times and the sun and the dry weather or that, but at this moment I have to worry about that. So I'm quite happy that we have still few very warm dry days, so taking advantage of that. For the Huntrophies, the Huntrophy is already totally dry. I'm going to film this afternoon the beginning of the painting, so I think I'm going to cut this pelargonium now while my video, I think it's the Huntrophy part 4 is getting exported to go to the website. So while it is exporting, I think I want to cut this pelargonium to make him a nice winter cut. And maybe you wonder why I have changed once more my furniture. I change them all the time, and it's not going to be the last time, but the sofa I think now is going to stay here in front of the wall because I'm going to do a very special decor. It's I think module 3, I'm not really sure. It's at least one very big decor of the Fairy Tale Home Decor Workshop, and it's going to be different than the canopy I showed in the bed canopy series I had done on my channel. So it was made with fabric. It's one I have now in my bedroom, but this one is going to be more sophisticated, and it's going to be a little inspired by a fairy tale, but I'm not going to tell you which fairy tale. And I will also have some curtains on each side. It's going to be super nice. I can't wait to show you the results, so you're going to see that very soon. But I needed to reorganize things to see how it would work. And I have a lot of mess because I'm currently editing my workshop here, so it's the reason. afternoon I'm going to finish to paint the eyes and the last details of the deer. We are going to do the rabbit too, and I will see if I have some time left to do something else. I've started actually. I'm super pleased because I'm back to my extreme early routine, which I easily have when I do some workshops. I don't know why, it's always the best moment to go back in a super strict discipline. So I get up in the morning at 4 a.m. and it's just great because you have an amazing morning which never ends and you can accomplish so much more. It makes such a big difference. I had this routine when I was in Lyon when I filmed the dollhouse workshop, for a lot of workshops actually, I always had this routine, and now I'm back to it. I'm super pleased because you just accomplish so much more. It's crazy. So I'm back to it. I'm going to continue the day with my day and going to bed super early, so you're already, because of course when you get up at 4 a.m. there's no way you can go to bed at midnight, doesn't work, so it's nice. So go back to my brush, to my painting, and this day we'll have some eyes now. So this is my organization for the workshop, for each part of the Fairy Tale Home Decor Workshop, the Hunch of Fee Workshop 2, which is also available, will be also available on its own. So this is just the thing. I put some cross where I finished. I finished to film all the painting, all the mouth, almost all the fur, and it's going soon to be, I need to edit it and to upload it. Yes, and the rabbit, the painting is about to start now. And the big part is behind me though, so it's really nice. And here I'm about to start the canopy today. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you very soon with the deer, the rabbit on the wall. You are going to see them all in all the glory with the arabesque and everything. It's going to be really nice. And of course, I also have the bed canopy, which really is going to be really exciting above my sofa. And you'll see it's going to be really, really nice. And the unicorn is the last decor we are doing in the workshop. You're going to see that in the next videos. I don't have a date yet for the launching of the workshop. You need to be subscribed to my workshop newsletter to get notification and all that. I don't send a lot of newsletters, don't worry, but it's just a place where I share things I don't necessarily share on my blog or on my YouTube videos. So you can give a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. You can ask me your questions under the video. I thank you very much for your kindness and your support. and you can also subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss the next videos. And I will see you very soon with my day and my rabbits, and I need now to go back editing tons and tons of videos.